Hello there, everyone. This is Ashmita from Sourav Sir Classes. We are here to talk about some of the questions today that relates to spotting the errors. We need to find out where is the error in the sentence. So let's start with question number one. And Okay, yeah, starting with question number one, spot the error in the following sentence. The sentence says the teacher asks that all students complete their assignments by tomorrow. See, here, of course, the problem is in this word, that is, it would be complete because it's written all students. Okay, so with all students, it would be complete and not completes. Okay, with plural subject, we have complete, not completes. Second one, so here we are going to remove this s. Next we have question 2. Identify the error in the following sentence. My sister and me are going to the market. Okay, so over here, my sister and me won't be correct because it would be my sister and I are going to the market. Okay, and I are going to the market. So the thing that requires change is this word me. Okay, so my sister and I are going to the market. Next, spot the error in this sentence. The cat laid on the bed for hours. Okay, so the cat, instead of laid, it would be the cat lay on the bed for hours. Okay, lay on the bed for hours. Next, identify the error in the following sentence. She is more taller than her brother. Okay, she is more taller. There is nothing called more taller. If it is tall in positive form, then in comparative form, it would be, sorry, okay, it would be tall over here. Anyway, I was saying that if it is tall in the positive sense, it would be taller in the comparative sense, and it would be tallest in the superlative sense. So putting more, much, it doesn't matter. Okay, so just remove this word more from the sentence. She is taller than her brother. That would be the correct answer. Next is spot the error in the following sentence. The correct was good and the audience claps loudly. Sorry, the concert was good and the audience claps loudly. Audience, yeah, the change would be over here. It would be clapped. The concert was good and the audience clapped loudly. Clapped loudly. Next, identify the error in the sentence. John, along with his friends, are planning a surprise party. Okay, so John, along with his friends, um, is would be the correct one because see here we are talking about John along with the friends. If there are words like along with or as well as, then we are going to put a singular helping verb, that is not are. Okay, as well as, if I say that the principal and as well as the teacher dash going to school, so it would be the principal as well as the teacher is going to school. Okay, that would be the correct answer. So over here also it would be is, not are, because we are not considering to separate people, or like John is one and friends is one. No, we are considering John along with his friends as a group, together one group. That is why we are using the word is. So John along with his friends is planning a surprise party. Okay, next, spot the error in this sentence. They haven't ate dinner yet. They haven't eaten dinner yet would be correct word. Okay, they haven't eaten dinner yet. Question 8. Identify the error in the sentence. Her new dress complements with her shoes. Okay, so this would be the correct. Her new dress, okay, compliments her shoes. Do not need to put the word with. Her new dress compliments her shoes. Okay, compliments with compliments, this word normally means that the new dress is quite matching the matching with her shoes. So it is basically talking about matching with. So again, putting a separate word with is becoming an extra. So no need to put that. Next, question 9. Spot the error in this sentence. The weather is too hot, isn't it? Okay. See, the sentence is absolutely correct. There is nothing to correct in this sentence. So this sentence is absolutely correct. Question 10. Identify the error in the sentence. She is as tall, if not taller, than her brother. She is as tall as would be correct, if not taller than her brother. Okay, so just put as. The condolence messages received on the death of Mrs. Gandhi speaks highly of her greatness. The condolence messages is the subject. So we are going to consider this subject, okay, the condolence messages, we're going to consider that with the verb. Is it matching? No, because with condolence messages, it would be speak and not speaks. It would be speak. Okay, we are not going to consider Mrs. Gandhi speaks highly of her greatness. No, we are going to consider the correct subject that you need to identify in the sentence. That is, the condolence messages speak highly of her greatness. Okay. Next, he took me to the restaurant and ordered for 2 cups of cold coffee, which the waiter brought in an hour. Okay. So he took me to restaurant and ordered for 2 cups of cold coffee, which the waiter brought in an hour. See this sentence, in part B, you just see and ordered for 2 cups, it's written. So someone is ordering for. Ordered, the word means you're asking for. So you are already asking for something. So again, putting a for is like an extra to the sentence. So just remove the word for from the sentence. And it would sound like he took me to a restaurant and ordered 2 cups of cold coffee, which the waiter brought in an hour. Okay, so here we are going to go with option B, which has the error. Question 13. Question 13 says, I would rather pay for my education than financial aid. No error. Okay, so over here it's written that I would rather pay for my education. So it's written rather. So when this word rather is there, whatever two situations we are going to consider in the sentence, we are going to use the same verb for both of them. But just check in part C, the verb has not been used. Instead, than is used, which is wrong. Okay, so we can say that the error is in part C. Okay, I would rather pay for my education than pay for. Okay, no, than is not like incorrect, but we have to use pay after than pay for financial aid. Then this is absolutely correct. I would rather pay for my education than pay for financial aid. Okay, so this is the little bit of correction that is required in this sentence. Otherwise, it's absolutely all right. Okay, moving over to the next question. If I would have realized what a bad driver you were, I would not have come with you. No error. All right. So, if I would have realized, if I okay, instead of have, it would be had. If I had realized what a bad driver you were, I would not have come with you. Okay, so yeah, that would be the error portion. That is in A, we can find the error. So we can say with if, we are using past perfect. So let me write down if plus past perfect. uh, then would would have. So would have we can see over here. So with perfect tense we can use would have. So in past perfect tense we can use had. So if I had realized what a bad driver you were, I would not have come with you. Okay, all right. So yeah, that's the case. Last question. Question 15. All the women teachers are agitated because of the haughty attitude of the principal. Okay, so all the women teachers, all the women teachers, see, we can clearly see two things. First is all, and second is teachers. So, what we can do is we can just change this woman into women. Okay, all the women teachers are agitated because of the haughty attitude of the principal. All right, so we can see the error is in part A. So yeah, we are going to keep this video till here today. If you want to solve questions like this with me, you can join our classes. For that, you can just go and check the description box. If you are preparing for any kind of entrance exams, you can just help yourselves out by joining our classes. Thank you for being with me till the end. Let's meet again in the other videos.